Hello guys, EJ Reborn today. And Fifi's here. Oh, okay. No one need to see her in action. She doesn't really do much. Hello, Fifi. Yeah, she's about 12, 13, 17.
Can you watch Noah? Can Noah lay with me? Don't get my face.
Uh-huh.
Come here, buddy. I'll play with you. Here, can you watch on Noah? Watch on Noah. She's a good babysitter.
Uh-huh.
She's like,
One time, we left the babies on the ground over here, on the carpet, and with a blanket, and then she just came over and sat next to them. Wasn't it cute, Mommy?
Yeah. Alright, you can get back to sleep. Okay, get up.
Okay, bye guys. Hope you enjoyed Noah with Fifi. There's Noah, Mickey Noah. My mom is holding him. She loves all the babies, don't you?
Absolutely.
Okay, I'm not going to show that. He's too close to you. So bye guys. Hope you enjoyed Fifi.